Here we've got a GWR, Great Western Railway Service. Great Western Railway Service. Oh no, I forgot. Sorry guys, I forgot it. Okay, I remember now. 2 Kilo 17, Great Western Railway Service. I'm going to skip this bit so you guys don't have to watch me go upstairs. I've skipped the bit where I go up the stairs. So this will be Great Western Railway Services, probably a class 3871 something, I don't know. Any numbers at the 2, like the back 2, there could be any numbers. I'm pretty sure this train has sorry guys, I've just paused for a sec. I just realised something. Sorry guys, I was just listening to an announcement. Oh, lights are turning on, and yeah, this will be services from Great Western Railway only. So yeah. Here it comes. For this part, I'm going to turn my phone, or the device, I like to call it. Sorry for all that light glare and stuff, it's just very bright lights, indeed. Here it comes, a class 387. Class 387 163. This will just be the only coach. Only 4 coaches, not 8 coaches, just 4. Slowly stopping. Okay. Here comes everyone. Getting off a lovely, beautiful train.
Oh, this coach is tiny. Look at it. Beautiful.
Seems like people like to talk about co-op. Engines are starting, wheels are going. I can hear the energy bit. Here we go! Okay. Barrier should go up now. The train's planned for coming. It's an overtime train, so I like to turn around. Okay, they're going up. Thank you for watching my video.